dB or decibel represents ratio. If I have a cupcake and I say that I have 3 dB gain, that means now I have double of the cupcakes. That means I have 2 cupcakes now. Similarly, if I have 1 cupcake and I say that I have 5 dB gain, that means now I have thrice the original value, which is now 3 cupcakes. 5 dB gain using power formula means 3 times more power. There are 2 formulas to calculate gain in dB. One is used for power gain and the other is used to calculate gain of voltage, current, audio, loudness, etc. For the purpose of meshtastic, we mostly use power gain formula. So anywhere, if I don't mention which formula I am using, I must be using power gain formula. dB does not increase in a linear fashion, it increases in logarithmic way. We can never convert dBm to dB or dB to dBm. However, we can add them together or we can subtract them from each other. Here is an example. LTEC V3 is transmitting at 22 dBm. Its output goes to a 10 dB power amplifier. So the output of 10 dB amplifier will become 32 dBm at the input of antenna, which is 22 dBm plus 10 dB. Simple arithmetic. I haven't considered here the output or radiated power of the antenna because that involves another concept of dBi, which I don't want to include in this video. Here is a calculator. You can use it to convert dBm to milliwatt or watts. Here is a chart of dB value and the ratio against each value. For example, 3 dB means double and 6 dB means 4 times the power and minus 3 dB means half of the power. Any questions? Do ask. See you again in another video.